Hey my YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making the oven baked chicken. So if you're interested, keep on watching. If you're new on my channel, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to turn your notification bell on so that you don't miss any of my uploads. And to my old and returning subscribers, welcome back. So today we're working with leg and thigh, and I've already cleaned up as much fat as I can to clean off it, but I'm gonna keep the skin on to protect the chicken from burning. And I'm also going to rinse it with some lemon and some vinegar. All right, so we're gonna rinse the chicken properly, and then we're gonna make our seasoning blend. So this is going to be a simple seasoning blend. I have some scallion and I have Scotch bonnet pepper, but the Scotch bonnet pepper is not so hot, so I am going in with some jalapeno peppers. Alright, so I'm going to add some thyme, and I'm also going to add some rosemary leaves. The rosemary leaf does add a nice flavor to your chicken, guys. And I'm also going to add a small amount of cooking oil, and that's just going to help with the distribution of the powdered season throughout the chicken whenever I'm ready to marinate it. All right. So now I'm just going to add my seasoning blend, and then I'm going to go in with 2 teaspoons of my clovers chicken seasoning, 2 teaspoons of creole seasoning, also going to add a teaspoon of garlic, chopped garlic, and a teaspoon of cajun seasoning. And I'm also going to add some extra herbs to this. I don't use any salt because all these seasonings contain salt. I do want to get some Jamaican seasoning. I'm checking some out online, or I may just ask someone to bring some up for me, but you know, it's very hard to get the good Jamaican seasoning where I live. And yeah, I'm just gonna have to figure that out. But these seasoning that I'm showing you, they are very good. So yeah, those are the ones that I normally use, and I'm just gonna marinate this and put it to sit. This was Friday night and I'm going to cook it Sunday, so it's gonna be well marinated. And I just want to say thank you for all the lovely comments under my videos, and stay tuned for my giveaway, my 10K giveaway. So keep watching and commenting. I'll be choosing from the comment section people who actually watch my videos. All right, so stay tuned for that, guys. So as you can see, it's nicely seasoned with all these spices and herbs, and I'm going to add it to some Ziploc bag. I am going to be using my reused Ziploc bag that I keep in the freezer. So I just keep it for this purpose. I'm going to put them in there and let it sit throughout Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday morning we're going to get cooking. So I'm just gonna add the chicken to my pan. You don't need to pour any oil in there. You can just grease the bottom of the pan and then just add your chicken. and then I'm gonna pop them in the oven. I have my oven preheating on 350 degrees. I'm just gonna start it off there, and then after 1 hour I'm gonna take them back out. So it's been 1 hour and 15 minutes. I'm just going to remove my chicken, and I'm going to throw off the liquid that the chicken had produced, and that is what I'm going to use to make my sauce. So I'm going to add whatever sauce you have in your home. If you even have ketchup and browning, remember your chicken is already flavored, so you're just going to add a little sauce to just to prep it up just a little. You don't have to go out and buy this whole bag of sauce, just whatever you have in your home that you normally use. And I'm also adding some teriyaki sauce. I'm just going to mix this up, add it to my chicken, and I went ahead and I put my oven up to 400 degrees. So I'm going to pop them back in there for another 15 minutes. Alright, and then after that extra 15 minutes, they're going to be nicely colored and, you know, semi-crisp but juicy on the inside. Alright, so that's what we're going for. So remember to put your oven up on 400 degrees, and here you have my lovely Sunday evening dinner. Everyone enjoyed it, and of course we have Sunday Monday that we're gonna eat for dinner as well. So thank you all so much for watching. If you didn't see my pasta salad video, you can go and check it out. It was just a short video, 57 seconds I think. Yeah, so thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, have yourself a blessed week, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.